Becoming a millionaire isn't just about hitting a specific financial goal. It's a journey marked by particular habits and mindsets. If you're wondering whether you're on the right track, here are signs that you might be well on your way to achieving that millionaire status. Kindly like the video if you find these signs insightful, and do leave a comment on where you are on your journey to financial freedom. 1. Comfortable with not changing your current lifestyle. When you're on the path to becoming a millionaire, one of the most crucial habits you develop is the ability to delay gratification. This means you're willing to put off immediate pleasures for future rewards. For instance, while others might be splurging on the latest gadgets or taking frequent vacations, you're more focused on investing that money into assets that will grow over time. This doesn't mean you're living a life of deprivation. Instead, it's about making conscious choices that align with your long-term goals. You maintain your current lifestyle not out of necessity, but as a deliberate choice to keep your expenses in check while your wealth accumulates. You understand that each dollar saved or invested today contributes significantly to your financial future. Your friends might wonder why you aren't upgrading your car or moving into a bigger house, but you're steadfast in your decision to stay the course. This restraint allows your investments to compound and grow, putting you in a much stronger financial position in the long run. 2. Creating multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, as it leaves you vulnerable to financial instability if that source is compromised. Millionaires rarely rely on a single source of income. Yes, most of the wealthy people became millionaires through one source of income, but what is keeping them wealthy is having different streams of income. They build multiple streams to diversify their earnings and safeguard against financial setbacks. This means that even if one income source goes bankrupt or is insufficient, then the other sources can comfortably maintain their lifestyle. So, you're likely on track to becoming a millionaire as you've likely started exploring various income avenues beyond your primary job. This could mean investing in real estate like Airbnb, where you receive income every week or month, starting a side business, trading stocks, or generating passive income through royalties or dividends. By creating these multiple income streams, you not only increase your earning potential, but also reduce your financial risk. Each stream serves as a financial cushion, allowing you to weather economic downturns or unexpected expenses more easily. This approach requires effort and sometimes taking calculated risks, but it sets a solid foundation for long-term wealth accumulation. 3. Drastically increase savings and prepared for emergencies. A noticeable increase in your savings is a clear sign you're moving toward millionaire status. This isn't just about having a little extra money in your account. It's about substantial and consistent growth in your savings balance. If your savings amount has significantly increased, it means you're diligently setting aside a portion of your income for both planned investments and unexpected situations. This increase often reflects disciplined saving habits, effective budgeting, and a commitment to prioritizing your financial health. A robust emergency fund is crucial. It's not just about having a few $100s tucked away. It's about having enough to cover several months of living expenses. This financial cushion allows you to take risks and seize opportunities without the fear of immediate financial strain. When you're prepared for emergencies, you're not just reacting to financial challenges, you're proactively managing your money to ensure stability and growth. 4. Focused on building assets and increasing net worth, not just income. Being on track to becoming a millionaire involves more than just earning a high income. It's about how you manage and grow your wealth. While a high income is beneficial, true wealth is more about increasing your net worth and building assets. You understand that wealth isn't just about earning more money, but about accumulating and growing assets that appreciate over time. You focus on investing in assets that add value, like stocks that contribute to your net worth and provide long-term financial stability. You understand that while a high income is important, it's your ability to convert that income into appreciating assets that truly drives wealth accumulation. Your goal is to build a portfolio of assets that contribute to your net worth, rather than simply chasing higher paychecks. This shift in focus is critical. It's not just about how much you earn, but how effectively you grow and manage your wealth. 5. Willingness to learn and educate yourself. The journey to becoming a millionaire requires continuous learning and self-education. If you're on this path, you are easily willing to commit to expanding your financial knowledge and skills. This might involve reading books on investing, listening to financial podcasts, watching YouTube videos on personal finance just like this one, or following industry experts to stay informed about market trends and investment opportunities. Your willingness to educate yourself reflects a proactive approach to financial management. You understand that knowledge is power, and staying updated with financial strategies and market changes can significantly impact your wealth-building efforts. This dedication to learning helps you make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls that can derail your financial goals. 6. You've developed strong financial discipline. Strong financial discipline is essential for achieving and maintaining wealth. This discipline involves managing your spending, saving diligently, and adhering to your financial goals. You've developed a habit of tracking your expenses, creating and sticking to a budget, and avoiding impulsive purchases. Your ability to control spending and make thoughtful financial decisions is a clear indicator of your commitment to long-term financial success. This discipline extends beyond just managing money. It involves making strategic decisions about investments, savings, and spending. It's about setting priorities and sticking to them, even when faced with temptations or unexpected challenges. Your disciplined approach ensures that you stay focused on your long-term goals and avoid the temptations that can derail your progress. 7. Comfortable taking calculated risks. Being comfortable with taking calculated risks is another sign that you're on track to becoming a millionaire. Taking calculated risks is an essential trait of any successful investor and entrepreneur. Wealth accumulation often involves stepping out of your comfort zone and making strategic decisions that carry some level of risk. However, these risks are calculated and based on thorough analysis and planning. This means you carefully evaluate potential opportunities and weigh the risks against the rewards. You understand that significant financial growth often requires taking chances, whether it's investing in a new venture, exploring innovative investment opportunities, or making bold career moves. Your ability to take calculated risks reflects confidence in your financial strategies and a readiness to seize opportunities that can accelerate your wealth-building journey. These signs are not just indicators of financial progress, but also reflections of your mindset and approach to wealth building. Each one reveals a deeper understanding of what it takes to achieve long-term financial success, highlighting your commitment, discipline, and strategic thinking. As you continue on your journey, these traits will not only help you stay on track, but also inspire others to follow a similar path towards financial prosperity.